Hi, I'm Anna Jones and this month's simple supper is charred lemon and chickpea flatbreads. These flatbreads are an amazing summer recipe. You can cook them inside, but these are great on the barbecue. They've got lovely charred halloumi, burnished tomatoes that are soft and sweet, delicious charred lemon, all piled onto flatbreads with a lovely cucumber and garlic yoghurt. I mean, it's perfect outside eating. First, put your griddle pan onto a high heat. If you don't have a griddle pan, you could just use a heavy frying pan. Warm the olive oil in a saucepan over a medium heat. Add the cumin, nigella seeds and smoked paprika and cook for a minute or so until they smell fragrant. Next, add the turmeric, sliced garlic, an onion and a good pinch of salt and pepper and cook slowly for 10 minutes until the onion is soft and sweet. Once the griddle is hot, add the lemon halves cut side down and cook until nice and charred. Add the tomatoes next to the lemons and cook, turning every so often with tongs until they're softened and nicely browned. Back to the onions. Once they're nice and soft, add the chickpeas to the pan with their liquid and cook for about 15 minutes until most of the liquid has evaporated. While the chickpeas are cooking, grate your cucumber into a bowl, add a good pinch of salt and use your hands to squeeze out any excess moisture, then drain this liquid away. Next, add the yoghurt, the crushed garlic, a couple of tablespoons of good extra virgin olive oil and a nice grinding of pepper and mix well. Back to the griddle pan. Once the lemons and tomatoes are cooked, take them off and keep them warm. Then put your halloumi on and cook until nicely charred on both sides. Finally, warm your flatbreads on the hot griddle or in the oven. When you're ready to eat, top the warm flatbreads with the halloumi, tomatoes and chickpeas, top with a spoonful of yoghurt and serve with half a charred lemon for squeezing over. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe. For more videos from the pool, please just click subscribe.